welcome to my channel SGM Creations and Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate an Easter eggs. This is an Easter eggs in a basket. Look at here. This is a fresh eggs decorated and painted with the use of different nail polish. Now I'm going to teach you and show you how to create a fresh egg. This is our material. We have a fresh eggs here. This is the color white, and I have here the brown. Okay, so this is the finished product that I have already decorated with the different design. Look at here, and with the use of the different colors of this nail polish. This is a nail polish. I use this one for my manicure, and at the same time I'm using this for my project. So that is why I have a collection of different colors of nail polish. And we will use also these glitters to add beauty for our finished product. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to decorate this type. Okay, this is a melon design. So I have here this fresh eggs. I'm going to use this one, the mint green. So all we will need the green glitters and this mint green nail polish. And our holder for our eggs is this mineral water bottle caps. So this is our eggs. All you need is just to simply brush it like this. This is a very simple project. You can do it at home. So this is the only design that I can teach you, just by simply paint it with the use of your nail polish. So if you want to create projects at home, you just provide nail polish, scissor, glue stick, glue gun, so that anytime you can copy my projects. I am posting my projects every day, and I share it to you so that you can get an idea and you will learn on how to create different projects at home so that you can save money. Now this is already our eggs, so all you have to do is to sprinkle with the glitters. I have here the glitters, the green, so we will sprinkle it like this. So if you can provide one like this, one bottle of glitters, and you can use it for many times, especially during Christmas. You will create different projects, so you need a glitters. And you can create a project together with your children. You can motivate to teach your children to create projects at home so that their skills will be developed. So now I have already here the melon design Easter eggs. Okay, the same as this. Okay, so I hope you get an idea on how to decorate an Easter eggs. Very simple artwork. Okay, so this is already our finished project, same as this. Then I am going to teach you on how to create this one. This is a multicolored eggs. Look at here. This is a crazy colors. I did not put glitters yet because I want to show you. So all we need, if you have a net, this one is a net for the garlic. Okay, you can use the net for the garlic, for the net for the potatoes to fill in. And I have here the white fish net from the garlic. So I will show you how to decorate like this, okay? Just simply take your eggs. This is the fresh eggs. Just simply insert into the net, okay? This is our net, okay? This is the fish net of the onions. All you have to do is to just put some paint, some nail polish, paint it with the nail polish, and mix the colors, okay? So I will start this green one. Look at here, this is the one. You just do it like this, okay? Look at here, and mix it with another color, the pink, okay? Look at here, and I will mix with this yellow. This is a multicolored, and I have here the blue. This is a multicolored egg design. Look at here. So I have already painted. I just want to show you how to color with different colors, okay? And I have here the mint green, okay? So this is our nail polish. This nail polish is made from Trendy, from Beautyline. This is all made in EU, in Europe. So this is our project. Look at here. So all you need is only to press it like this, so that the print of the fishnet will mark into the painted nail polish, and it will stick into the shell of the eggs. Then you just have to squeeze it, move the net like this, shake it. No, not that shake, just move it so that the print of the fish net will mark to the printed eggs. So I'm going to release now the shell, oh no, the fish net, and let's see the result. So this is now the result. Look at here. Okay, so this is the one I have created. Look at here. So now I will put a glitters for this, and we will see how it looks like. So I will just use the silver color. We will try the silver color, if it looks like, if it's beautiful. So we will just sprinkle a little bit of this, and we will see how it looks like if there is a metallic color. So look at here. Looks, it becomes more attractive. Look. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial and you learn on how to decorate an Easter eggs for the Easter Sunday. So all you need is to have a fresh eggs. Look at here. All you need is only a fresh egg. It's no problem. You can display this painted eggs for 2 to 3 days, and you can still cook the eggs. There is no harm. It is not toxic because this is just a nail polish, and you just paint only on the outer part of the shell. Okay, so you have to secure a basket like this, and just because this is a recycled basket, look at here, and you can use your artificial flower to decorate your basket or your platter, and you can decorate this one with a ribbon. This one just wrap around the ribbon from here, from the center, and wrap around from the right and to the left side. So, and when you come up to this portion on the center, so all you have to do is to just tie it and make a bow like this. Look at here, and like that. Okay, so this is already our project like this. And this stand of my eggs, the eggs, is the bottle caps of the mineral water, in order that the eggs will stand like this. Or you can put some newspaper, cut out some newspaper or magazine, so that the eggs will stand on the top. Okay, this is just a very easy. You can just use the nail polish and patch it like this. I'll show you, just like this. Oh, look at this, like this. This design you have to just patch like this. Okay, and sprinkle it with the glitters, with the green glitters, and it will look beautiful. Okay, so this is our project for today. This is a very easy project. This one you have only to make a circle like this by the use of the yellow nail polish. Look at this one, and sprinkle it with the blue or with the yellow glitters. And this one is a polka dots. You just make circle here and sprinkle it with white glitters. This is very easy. And this one, paint with first with the yellow green and sprinkle with the gold glitters. That is very easy. And this one is diamond design. Make a triangle type and sprinkle it with the blue glitters. Okay, so this is our project for today, and I hope you learn already how to create your own design by using the nail polish and the glitters. So I wish everyone a happy Easter and enjoy your Easter holidays. Thank you for supporting my channels. So please subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated to all my projects and all my video tutorials. Thanks for watching. God bless everyone. Don't miss. I'm posting my videos every single day so that you will be updated with all my projects. Okay, so stay tuned and stay connected. Happy Easter again. Bye bye, and see you in my next video tutorial. So I will put this one.